Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will show you how to make beautiful Diwali bags diya at home. So let's get started. With the material you will need, first gather some bags, preferably old candles that you no longer uses, and you will also need a saucepan, a heat resistant container, a wick, and some colorant and sparkle for decorations. Begin by melting the bags in the saucepan over low heat, and make sure to handle the bags with care as it can be hot. Once the bags is completely melted, carefully pour it into the heat resistant container, and while the wax is still a liquid, place the wick in the middle and of the container. Hold it in place until the bags started to solidify, and now it's time to add some color to your diyas. And you can either mix, it's optional guys. If you want to add, then add, otherwise you can continue. Mix containers directly into the bags or use decorative sparkle on top. Be creative and choose colors that reflect the festive spirit of Diwali. Allow the bags to cool and solidify completely. This may take a few hours, so be patient. And when wax is solid, carefully remove the diya from the container. It's also optional guys. If the edges are uneven, you can trim them for a neatly finish, and there's you have it, a beautiful handmade Diwali bags diya that is ready to light up your celebration. We hope you enjoy this DIY tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas and tips. Wishing you a joyful and prosperous Diwali. Thank you for watching, guys. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you.